In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the AI video generator known as Seedance 1.0. We are delving into its full capabilities, breaking down a step-by-step guide, and providing a comprehensive review. This tool, crafted by ByteDance, offers something truly innovative. It converts text or images into stunning 1080p cinematic videos. If you're into multi-shot storytelling or need nuanced camera control, Seedance is a great player in this field. Seedance brings to the table key features like multi-shot storytelling with smooth scene transitions. You can expect high-resolution outputs at 1080p with 24 frames per second. The advanced camera controls, which include dolly, crane, and Steadicam effects, allow for cinematic expression. Moreover, it supports diverse visual styles, whether you're aiming for photorealistic, anime, or even watercolor visuals. It also boasts the ability to understand complex natural language prompts, which makes it especially appealing for automated storytelling. Now let's talk about the advantages. The high-quality video output is quite impressive, and the processing is notably fast. About 40 seconds per video, which is quite beneficial for anyone looking to produce high-quality content swiftly. The advanced camera and motion control options are a significant advantage. Additionally, it supports both text and image inputs, and here's a bonus, there's no watermark on the generated videos. Of course, there are some downsides to consider. Currently, the platform has limited audio integration, so you'll need to use external tools for adding voiceovers. The availability of free credits is another point. While you have a few to start, additional credits require a subscription. This is important to keep in mind as you plan your projects. Moving on to its use cases, Seedance 1.0 is quite versatile, whether you're in marketing looking to create product demos and advertisements, or in education needing animated explainers and tutorials, it fits the bill. It's also suitable for entertainment, with possibilities for crafting short films and cinematic sequences. And don't overlook its potential for social media content, perfect for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. My final thoughts are that Seedance is both a powerful and user-friendly tool, apt for creating cinematic videos swiftly. It's genuinely suitable for all, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting. Seedance might just be the tool you've been searching for. Now, if you're ready to start using Seedance, here's how you can get the ball rolling. Head over to the website seedanceai.com and sign in or set up a new account. You have your input methods. For text to video, simply type in a detailed prompt describing your scene. For image to video, just upload a reference image you wish to animate. Once your inputs are set, navigate to the model section where you can edit your prompt, choose the desired aspect ratio, and set your video duration length. After setting up all parameters, hit that generate button and give it about 40 seconds for processing. Once your video is ready, you can directly download it or share the masterpiece straight from the platform. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let Seedance 1.0 handle the rest.